Welcome to Easy English channel. Today we are going to talk about an idiom. Be that as it may. This is a little formal idiom, but when you use it in your language, it will be very colorful. The meaning of the idiom is you accept the fact in the discussion, but still you won't change what you think of the subject you are discussing. Let me tell you in another way. You don't want to change your opinion or an idea even though you understand the bad situation. In this meaning, you can use this idiom. Now you have understood the meaning. The next is I'm going to give you example sentence, which is very useful to improve your English fluent. So don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. Then only you will come to know how to use this idiom in right way. First example sentence. Buying a new car will cost a lot of money, but be that as it may, there is an urgent need for the facility. In this place, the meaning is even though it is very expensive, we have to buy a car. We can use this idiom when you want to express this meaning. Second sentence, you are not well today, be that as it may. I still think you should go. Third sentence, we caught in heavy traffic and weather is so bad. Be that as it may, we still managed to get to the meeting on time. Fourth sentence, she was just joking. Be that as it may. Sometimes joking causes big harm. Fifth sentence, after you quit cigarette smoking, again your mind may push you to have it. Be that as it may. You have to keep your mind under your control. I can give you some similar alternative words. Nevertheless, even so, however, despite that, in spite of that, these words can be used in the place of be that as it may. You have seen the meaning of the idiom and the example sentence. Based on these example sentence, if you create a new sentence on your own, then you are in right path. If you practice like this, very soon you will improve your fluent in the English language. If any sentence in this video made an impact on you, then let me know in the comments. I will check it. That brings us to the end. I will see you in my next video. Until then, this is Satish signing off. Thank you.